Hello, so in this video today we are going to learn how to install WhatsApp on your PC Windows 11. So first of all you need to go to your Chrome browser and search for WhatsApp. So click on this link. So now you have got two options. Either you can use your WhatsApp on your browser by just clicking on the web link, and now you can use follow these settings and scan this barcode to just log into the WhatsApp now. Or the second option is which is better option, to download the setup file on your PC. So so when you click on this link, it directs you to the Microsoft Store. It will take a while, and here the downloading starts. So it, on basis of your internet speed, it will take the time and download the setup. Once it's downloaded, it will show an open button. Just click on the open button and it will direct you to the app. So just click on the get started button. Now you need to go to your phone. On the top right corner, on the three dots, and where click on the setting button, and there will be an option of link devices. Just tap on the link device and point your phone to the screen to capture the code. After you scan this barcode, your WhatsApp will be connected to the app on the PC, and it will sync automatically, and you can enjoy your WhatsApp on your PC. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will learn how to install WhatsApp on your computer. And do like, share and comment